Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export ChatGPT responses to PDF. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed forward with your email address and your password by clicking on the login button at the top right corner. After logging in, you may go back to the conversation that you wish to export from the left side where you will have your history. After opening the conversation, just right-click within the response and then click on Print. From the Print menu, make sure to choose Microsoft Print to PDF or the Save as PDF option. After choosing either one of these options, make sure to choose All within the pages and choose your preferred layout. You can then finally click on the Print button and now you can simply name your file and click on the Save button to save your PDF. And now you can freely use the PDF file that you have just saved from your ChatGPT conversation. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to save your ChatGPT responses to PDF. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.